Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Docs. I will show you how to sign in Google Docs. So, let's get started. Step 1. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser. Google Docs is a web-based application, so you'll be accessing it through your browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, the process is pretty similar. Step 2. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top and type in Google Docs and hit Enter. The first link that comes up should be the official Google Docs website. Click on that link to proceed. Step 3. Now that you're on the Google Docs homepage, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile button and click on it. When will you click on it? A drop-down menu will appear. Now you can see Add Another Account option. Click on it. A new page will appear in front of you. Step 4. A new window will pop up, asking you to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Google account. Go ahead and type it in. Then click Next. Step 5. The next screen will prompt you for your password. Make sure you enter it accurately. Type password and click on the Next button. Once you've successfully entered your email and password, you'll be taken to the Google Docs dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to sign in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.